What's up, YouTube? Pirate Babe here with my 2018 Firework stash. So first things first, I'm gonna start with my leftover stash. Got some artillery shells here, fuses, M1000s, game blasters, sparklers, bottle rockets, 2 Roman candles, a Saturn missile, 2 little cakes, and 4 of these rockets right here, and this small one right here. I was able to get these two DHs, 100 shot, loud. I recommend these. If you see them, get them. And also, I was able to get this bad boy here. Thompson cake. Heavy as fuck. My first time having it. I just can't wait to light it up. And also, I was able to get this bad boy. Big ass rocket. Or is that one? I don't know. Put it down. So yeah, probably get more cakes, of course, like brothers and all that. And more like 1-1 cakes, of course, salute cakes and all that in the future. So yeah, peace out.